alive. How long has it been since you enjoyed something without feeling guilty? How long has it been since you allowed yourself pleasure for pleasure's sake, without thinking if you deserve it, without calculating consequences, without asking permission? Pleasure has also been criminalized, and you have internalized it. That's why many people can have sex but not pleasure, touch themselves but not feel, get aroused but not surrender. Surrender. What a powerful word. Not as defeat, as surrender, as an act of trust, as telling your body, it's okay to feel, as telling your soul, you are not broken, as telling your story, I'm no longer afraid to look at what happened.
Now, in Life Talk, let's talk about pleasure. Alam mo yung nagugulat ako minsan sa isang bansang mataas ang teenage pregnancy. Marami sa mga kliyente ko ang hindi na kayang or never pa nilang na-experience mag-orgasm. Now, for you to be able to feel orgasm, you need to understand how pleasure works. Because yun yung kailangan mong i-build to reach to the top at patapos kayo. But let me just give you a heads up. Yung pleasure ay hindi lang applicable sa aspeto ng sexualidad or sex. Applicable din yan sa ibang bagay like trabaho, pagsasaya, di ba? Yung ibang activities na ginagawa nyo na kung saan nagugustuhan nyo siya dahil masarap siya sa pakiramdam. And that's just another form of pleasure. One of the reasons why nahihirapan i-enjoy ng isang individual or ng isang tao yung moment, especially if it's generally pleasurable, is because some people attach guilt doon sa pag-i-enjoy. Minsan, nagigilty tayo na hindi pa natin tapos yung trabaho, na-stress tayo, yung pinapagawa sa atin, hindi pa tapos, parang hindi pa dapat tayo magsaya, or hindi ko deserve to, so on and so forth. Ngayon, ang ending, imbis na mag-focus yung mga utak natin doon sa dapat na na-enjoy natin, which is pleasure for pleasure's sake, ang ending, napapalitan yung focus natin towards doon sa mga bagay na anxious tayo. Yung mga bagay na hindi natin nagawa. Yung mga future bagay na kailangan nating intindihin na hindi naman dapat intindihin. So on and so forth. Ang ending, imbis na ma-recharge kayo, ma-relax kayo, matapos kayo, you will feel bad about yourself, and for some reason hindi mo rin alam kung bakit, kaya isipin mo na lang na ay baka kulang lang ako ng ganito, so on and so forth. You will try to solve it, but most will fail because they do not understand how pleasure works. Masyado kasi nating pinapasukan ng moralidad yung ibang bagay na dapat hindi nakatali doon sa tama o mali, so on and so forth. Bakit ka nga naman hindi madi-discourage to enjoy the pleasure that you are receiving? Sa panahon ng social media na kung saan i-post mo yung isang bagay, people will flock towards that post and will correct you. Especially if hindi aligned doon sa pinost mo yung ibang point of view nila sa buhay. But well, katulad ng parati kong sinasabi, you cannot escape truth. Pwede kayong tumakbo, pero hindi niyo matatakasan yun. Babalik at babalik siya at some point, and it will come at a form of a shadow. yung mga bagay na binabaon natin sa limot, akala natin na mamatay. No, babalik yan. Yan yung mumulto sa mga sarili nyo. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.